What is up, ladies and gentlemen? If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for checking me out. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get the latest buzz on everything comic book movie related. Should you be incredible and do all of the following, will indeed qualify you for a giveaway I'll be doing. It is the beginning of the month, therefore I will announce the next winner of my giveaway sometime this week, so stay tuned at the very end of the video for the rest of those details. In this video, I will be discussing an alleged warning from Marvel Studios president Kevin Feige regarding Avengers Endgame on who will survive and who will die. Need I say more? Let's dive right in. As you may know, Kevin Feige has been doing multiple interviews promoting the upcoming Captain Marvel film. And along with these interviews have been plenty of questions regarding Avengers Endgame, and more importantly, what should we prepare for and who will die in the film. And here's what he had to say about this very question. In his exact words, "I think as with some of the other characters you've mentioned, there are no characters, certainly no Marvel characters, that are invulnerable and that are immortal. They can all be killed at some point, as Loki says to Thor in Avengers 1. So we may have that at some point, introduce that at some point." Essentially, what Feige is trying to say is that there are no characters in Avengers Endgame that are safe from death. In other words, we should prepare for anybody dying. It should also be noted that Avengers Endgame will be the conclusion of the previous MCU as we know it. Therefore, after the film, we'll enter a new era of the MCU, and the Avengers team could have a completely new roster after this film. Having said that, I sincerely do believe that there will be a few of the original Avengers surviving Avengers Endgame. I think the most probable characters that will die in Avengers Endgame will be Tony Stark or Steve Rogers himself, considering that their contracts will expire after the film. I believe the safe characters will be Black Widow, considering her upcoming solo film in the near future, along with Mark Ruffalo's Hulk and Thor. I know Thor is one of the original 3 Avengers, but I don't think they're going to do away with him just yet. There is a lot of potential considering the major success from Thor Ragnarok. Well, what are your thoughts on this warning from Kevin Feige, and more importantly, who do you think will die in Avengers Endgame? Sound off down below. Now, let's get into the giveaway details. I will be giving away your choice of a Venom or Aquaman poster, and like I previously stated, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. The more likes and comments you leave in my videos increases your chances of winning. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. I will catch you next time.